Welcome to Joymix Wonderland. Join us as we explore the world's most famous and inspiring places. From stunning architecture to natural wonders, these destinations are truly unforgettable. Eiffel Tower, Paris, France. Iconic structure offering stunning views of Paris. A must-see symbol of French culture. Great Wall of China. China. Ancient wall spanning over 13,000 miles. A remarkable feat of ancient engineering. Taj Mahal. Agra, India. White marble mausoleum symbolizing love. A UNESCO World Heritage Site admired worldwide. Statue of Liberty. New York, USA. Symbol of freedom and democracy. A welcoming sight for millions of immigrants. Machu Picchu, Peru. Ancient Incan city in the Andes. A breathtaking site showcasing Incan architecture. Colosseum, Rome, Italy. Ancient Roman amphitheater. Once hosted gladiatorial combats and public spectacles. Pyramids of Giza, Egypt. Ancient Egyptian pyramids. Mysterious wonders of the ancient world. Santorini, Greece. Island known for its sunsets and white buildings. A top destination for romantic getaways. Sydney Opera House, Sydney, Australia. Iconic cell-like architectural marvel. A masterpiece of modern architecture and a cultural hub. Christ the Redeemer, Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Massive statue of Jesus Christ. Overlooks the city from Mount Corcovado. Mount Fuji, Japan. Japan's highest mountain and iconic symbol. A sacred site and popular hiking destination. Big Ben and the Houses of Parliament. London, England. Symbol of British democracy. An iconic landmark of London's skyline. Niagara Falls, USA, Canada. Massive waterfalls on the border. A natural wonder that attracts millions of visitors annually. Petra, Jordan. Ancient city with rock-cut architecture. Known as the Rose City for its pink sandstone cliffs. Angkor Wat, Cambodia. Largest religious monument. A stunning example of Khmer architecture. Grand Canyon, Arizona, USA. Natural wonder with breathtaking views. A marvel of erosion and geological history. Stonehenge, England. Prehistoric monument of standing stones. A mysterious site with astronomical significance. Louvre Museum, Paris, France. World's largest and most visited museum. Home to thousands of art pieces, including the Mona Lisa. Acropolis of Athens, Greece. Ancient citadel with the Parthenon. A symbol of ancient Greek civilization. Serengeti National Park, Tanzania. Famous wildlife reserve. Known for the great migration of wildebeest and zebras. These incredible places showcase the beauty and history of our world. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more amazing destinations.